Samsung is already hard at work on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, even though you may not be thinking about it at the moment. While we don't have all the details yet, a few rumors about the upcoming flagship phone have started to surface. Combined with Samsung's history of impressive smartphone updates, these tidbits should be enough to pique our interest for more Galaxy S25 Ultra news. Given Samsung's focus on AI features in this year's phones, we can expect the same dedication in the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra. And when it comes to the high-end phone, there are whispers of camera improvements that could rival even Apple's best camera phone. So far, this is what we know about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but we also have some educated guesses about what Samsung has in store. If you're curious about the features we're hoping to see in next year's flagship, we've got a wish list for you too. Samsung's decision to switch to titanium for the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra was a bold move, and we doubt they will make a change for the S25 version. The design of recent Ultras has remained consistent, with cameras stacked vertically on the back and lenses protruding slightly. It's unlikely that this will change, but leaked CAD renders in the upcoming months will reveal the truth. Rumors suggest that the display on Samsung's entry-level Galaxy S25 model will increase to 6.36 inches from 6.2 inches on the Galaxy S24. Another rumor hints at the Galaxy S25 Ultra having a screen size of around 6.9 inches, a slight bump from the 6.8-inch display on the S24 Ultra. Phone manufacturers have been competing to enhance the maximum brightness of their displays, and Samsung is no exception. The peak brightness of the Galaxy S24 Ultra was raised to 2600 nits, up from 1750 nits on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It wouldn't be surprising if the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it even further. The Ultra model from Samsung is all about its impressive cameras. With a hopping 200 megapixels main sensor and a 100 megapixels space zoom feature, it's no wonder this phone takes photography to the next level. But what's even more exciting is the possibility of an upgrade in the next year. Rumors surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera are starting to circulate, and they suggest some intriguing improvements. According to a reliable leaker, the wide-angle lens on the S25 Ultra will receive an upgrade, although the details remain a mystery. Additionally, the ultrawide lens is said to make a significant jump from a 12 megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra to a remarkable 50 megapixels on the new phone. But that's not all. The telephoto lens on the S25 Ultra is expected to have variable capabilities. While the exact meaning of this remains unclear, it could potentially allow for changing the focal length while connected to a single sensor. This would result in smoother zooms, especially when capturing videos. Now you might be wondering if these rumors hold any weight. Well, consider this. The same leaker accurately predicted the upgraded 50 megapixels telephoto lens on the Galaxy S24 Ultra before it was even released. So, there's definitely reason to be excited about what the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera has in store for us. The S25 Ultra is highly anticipated to come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, following the use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's worth noting that the Galaxy S24 Ultra was the only model in the S24 lineup to rely exclusively on Qualcomm silicon, as the standard Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus utilized the Exynos 2400 system-on-chip for models released outside North America. Qualcomm has already confirmed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be unveiled in October, aligning perfectly with the possibility of an early 2025 release for Samsung's phone. Early benchmarks of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 have already surfaced, and while it's important to approach unverified numbers with caution, they do paint an optimistic picture of the chipset's performance. According to leaked Geekbench results, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 matches the highest score achieved by an A18 Bionic-powered iPhone. Interestingly, even the A18 numbers have leaked, despite the chip's expected release with the iPhone 16 in the fall at the earliest. There are rumors circulating about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 featuring a 4.3 GHz prime core, a significant leap from the 3.4 limit of its predecessor. Such a boost in power will undoubtedly pose challenges for Samsung and Qualcomm in terms of thermal management, as they strive to ensure the chipset's integration into a mobile device without causing overheating issues. However, there is one intriguing twist regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra's system-on-chip. A rumor, posted by an individual named Orexta on X, suggests that the phone will solely rely on Exynos Silicon in 2025 rather than Qualcomm. It's important to approach this rumor with skepticism, though, as Arexta himself seemed to dismiss it as just a rumor I heard, not my source. As for battery life, we're not sure how Samsung could squeeze in a bigger power pack than the 5,000 mAh cell in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Since that device landed on our best phone battery life list with a 16-hour, 45-minute result on our battery test, we're not exactly worried about Galaxy S25 Ultra battery life. We would like to see Samsung boost the Ultra's wired charging speed to something faster than the current 45 watts. When the Galaxy S25 Ultra finally hits the market, Android 15 will have already been released, with the second developer preview currently available. It's likely that the Galaxy S25 series will also receive 7 years of software support, just like the Galaxy S24. We can expect the Galaxy S25 Ultra to come with more Galaxy Eye features, similar to what was introduced with the S24 lineup. However, it's still unclear what these new features will be, and whether some will be exclusive to the high-end Ultra model. With the Galaxy S24, all three models supported the same Galaxy Eye features, allowing even the entry-level S24 to perform tasks just like the premium Ultra. It's still too early in the rumor mill to determine the exact arrival date of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While we can speculate that it may be released in early 2025, nothing is set in stone. However, Samsung has been known to push forward the release dates for their Galaxy S series in recent years. Previously, these phones would debut around February or March, but this year, the Galaxy S24 was unveiled on January 17, with models shipping out on January 31, the earliest release ever. If Samsung decides to move the Galaxy S25 Ultra release even earlier, it could potentially clash with CES 2025, an event where Samsung usually showcases its TVs and smart home products. So, our best guess is that we might see another mid-January Galaxy Unpacked event focusing on Samsung's new phone lineup. As for pricing, Samsung increased the cost of the Galaxy S24 Ultra to $1,299 this year, compared to the $1,199 price tag of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This might suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't see a price hike, but it's worth noting that premium phone prices are on the rise. We'll likely get more information about pricing plans towards the end of 2024. It might seem premature to start pondering about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but rest assured Samsung is already hard at work planning its next big release. Stay tuned for updates on what to expect from the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup throughout the year leading up to its 2025 launch. Share your expectations in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our channel for more updates. Until next time, take care.